This afternoon, Texas Governor Rick Perry defended himself against yesterday's grand jury indictment charging him with abuse of power. Pushing back hard, he cast himself as the defender of the Texas Constitution. In Austin, Manuel Bojorquez has more on Perry's fighting words.
I exercise this authority to veto funding for an office whose leadership had lost the public's confidence by acting inappropriately and unethically. I wholeheartedly and unequivocally stand behind my veto.
The case is about power, with both Governor Perry and the special prosecutor accusing each other of abusing it. The dispute started in April of last year when Travis County District Attorney Rosemary Lehmberg, a Democrat, was pulled over for drunk driving. Her blood alcohol content was 3 times the legal limit, and she was uncooperative.
Do you know what you're doing?
At one point, law enforcement officials put a spit guard around her mouth.
Don't film this.
Lehmberg pleaded guilty. Perry demanded Lehmberg resign and threatened to veto funding for her office's Public Integrity Unit, which investigates political wrongdoing, if she did not step down. When she did not, he followed through. Because of the threat, Perry now faces 2 felony counts: abuse of official capacity, which carries punishment of 5 to 99 years, and coercion of a public servant. Michael McCrum is the special prosecutor.
I took into account the fact that we're talking about a governor of a state and a governor of the state of Texas, but when it gets down to it, the law is the law.
Perry is the first Texas governor to be indicted in almost a century.
I intend to fight against those who would erode our state's constitution and laws purely for political purposes, and I intend to win.
He's recently crisscrossed the country, raising expectations he'll run for president again in 2016. The grand jury that indicted him comes from a heavily Democratic county.
Thank you.
The special prosecutor plans to meet with Perry's attorney next week to discuss his arraignment. There is no word on when the governor will be booked. Jim, even if he is eventually cleared of these charges, he may have to deal with the political embarrassment of a mugshot.
Manuel Bojorquez in Austin. Thank you, Manny.